So I am really excited because today I get to bring you some good news. And that's because in the past week, FHA loans have announced a big change coming up very shortly, which is going to help a lot of first-time home buyers get into homes. So today I'm going to talk about what that change is, and then also how much money you could potentially save, or even new options that might unlock for you. Hi, I'm Jake Tysiak, that guy that sells houses, a realtor here in Illinois, and this has been an exciting week because, as I mentioned, the FHA, or Federal Housing Administration, had announced some big changes to their FHA programs as far as financing with mortgages. Now, the reason this is so exciting is because 80% of FHA loans are actually first-time home buyers. So this new rule is going to add some big changes that can really help out home ownership and make it more obtainable. Now, one of the reasons FHA financing is so commonly used with first-time home buyers is the fact that you don't actually have to have a full 20% down payment. You can utilize loans as little as 3.5% down. Now, part of the reason this is available is because in addition to your monthly payment, you're going to be asked to pay a monthly insurance premium for your mortgage. This is here to help protect the bank if was something to happen and you went into foreclosure and perhaps your property lost value, the bank would remain whole. And this is the big change that happened this past week, is that fact that they have lowered these mortgage insurance premiums. And the reason they've been able to do this is when they looked at the required reserves that they have to have on hand for these premium payouts, they actually had 5 times the amount. So the option became available for them to actually lower that monthly insurance premium. Now, they've lowered them by 3 basis points, or 0.3%, which doesn't sound like a lot, but considering that their current rates were 0.85% and now have been lowered to 0.55%, that's quite a big change. That's actually a 35% reduction in your monthly insurance premium. So that might not seem like a lot, but let's actually put that in some real world context. So if you're looking at purchasing a $350,000 home, and let's assume that the property taxes are about $6,000 on that home, your monthly payment would be about $2,954 per month. Now, of that amount, about $238 itself would be that mortgage premium that we talked about. Keeping in mind that with your monthly payment, you're also going to have your property taxes included in there, as well as your homeowner's insurance. The bank's going to pay that on your behalf, but this is going to constitute your total payment. Now, with this new change reduction of those 30 basis points, that same mortgage is going to cost you about $2,870, of which is only $153 of your insurance premium for the mortgage, which is $85 per month. And over a course of a year, that's over $1,000 that you would be saving on the same exact mortgage. And this new lower rate actually opens up more options for homeowners. Because when most banks qualify you, they're looking at your monthly payment in comparison to your income. Other factors come into play, but this is really what dictates if you're qualified and for how much you can borrow. So by now having a lower payment, this offers more options to homeowners or potential home buyers. And that's because if you were on just the cusp of being qualified on the outside looking in, now that extra $85 might be able to afford you the ability to finance that loan. And another option would be the fact that if you were looking at purchasing a home but having a hard time finding something within your current criteria, that $350,000 price range, you might not be able to afford just a little bit more home, an additional $15,000, which might actually find you that home that you're really looking for. So this program is going to really benefit a lot of people. And if you are putting your finances together and are curious about qualifying for a mortgage, take a look at our video up here. But if you are just looking for someone to help you buy your next house or sell your next house, feel free to give me a call. I'm Jake Tysiak with Keller. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.